This is the Schlage electronic lock. It's got a key override, but the battery is dying, so it's got to be replaced. The battery I prefer is an alkaline Duracell. Alkaline battery will give you warnings like this. If a lithium battery, it's going to go one beep and then it's dead. So this is why we replace it. Alkaline battery only. The Schlage Sense Electronic Deadbolt. Now the mechanical will always work from the inside, and the key will always work even if you have a dead battery. To replace it, it's pretty simple. Just remove the cover, remove. So we remove these batteries. Very simple, just a little diagram in there. And we're all good to go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.